Questa Project 2014. Date 4th of June 2014. Determine the dyes that make up the color of the coating on the M&M and candies and Skittles candies. Group members. Our leader is Yan. The narrative is Jin. Report writing will be Jonathan and PowerPoint slides will be Kimberly and Evelyn. Next slide, please. This is the introduction. The aim. Project is about extracting the coloring from the M&M and Skittles candy and to see what color dyes are used to make out the coloring for the candies. We are using paper chromatography for this project. Paper chromatography is an analytical technique for separating and identifying mixtures that are or can be colored, especially pigments. The reason why we need to do paper chromatography is to find out if the candy is a pure substance or mixture. A pure substance has a definite and constant composition, like salt, sugar, water, diamond, and gold. A pure substance can be either an element or a compound, but the composition of a pure substance doesn't vary. A mixture, on the other hand, are physical combination of pure substance that have no definite or constant composition. The composition of mixture varies according to who prepares the mixture. The dot on some candies might not be visible on the filter paper. So we need to spray the nitrogen onto a chromatogram after it dries, so that we can see the dots on some candies. Next slide, please. Do you want to know the materials used? They are M&M and Skittles candy of different color. Ruler, pencil, boiling tube, rectangular strips of filter paper fit nicely into the boiling tube. Wooden spoon, small beaker, 50 ml distilled water, and test tube rack. M&M and Skittles of different color. I bet everyone wants to know the procedure of the experiment. Step 1. Choose M&M and Skittles of the same color. Each group choose 3 different colors. Step 2. Put M&M and Skittles into different beaker. Step 3. Drop 1 drop of distilled water on each candy. Step 4. Use the wooden spoon to scrape off the color coating of the candy. Step 5. Use a drawing pencil and draw a straight line approximately 2 cm from the length of the rectangular strip and mark a cross in the middle of the line drawn on the filter paper. Let's go to the next slide. It is step 6 to step 10. Let us say step 6 first. Use the tip of the wooden spoon to scrape out some of the coloring from the candies and place the scraped coloring on the cross mark the line, which is drawn on the rectangular strip of filter paper. Step 7. Drip some of the dissolved water into the boiling tube below the 2 cm mark and place the filter paper into the boiling tube. Step 8. We must repeat step 3 to step 7 for all other candy. Step 9. When the chromatogram has separated well enough in the water, remove the chromatogram. Step 10. Allow the chromatogram to be dried, then examine it. Next slide, please. The result of M&M and Skittles. I bet all of you want to know the results. The red M&M will let the chromatogram be stained with very light green, light pink. Red Skittles will let the chromatogram stain with pink color. Brown M&M will let the chromatogram be stained with yellow orange. Green Skittles will let the chromatogram be stained with a very faint green. Purple Skittles will let the chromatogram be stained with no color. These are the pictures while we are doing the experiment. Next slide, please. Dyes that make up the color of the coating. Heading. For the heading, M&M Skittles candy. Color, inference, pure substance or mixture. For Skittles candy is also color, inference, pure substance or mixture. For the brown M&M candies, it will be mixture. For the red Skittles candy, it will be pure substance. For the red M&M, it will be pure substance also. For the purple Skittles will also be pure substance. And both green M&M candies and Skittles candy cannot be differed. Next slide, please. Conclusion. I bet all of you want to know the conclusion that we have made. From the experiment and research, we can conclude that the purple Skittles, red Skittles, and red M&M are pure substance, while brown M&M is made out of three different substances to make up the color coating. On the other hand, the dots of the green Skittles and M&M cannot be visible to the naked eye, as it is colorless, and therefore we cannot confirm if the color coating is a pure substance or mixture. Second conclusion. The red M&M coloring and red Skittles coating is made up of the same substance. The brown M&M and purple Skittles are not made out of the same substance, as the brown M&M is made out of three different substances, while the purple Skittles is a pure substance. There are no dots on both the green M&M and Skittles. Hence, we cannot conclude if the color coating of the candies is made out of the same substance or not. The third conclusion. Sorry, there's no more conclusion. These are the references below. Thank you for your kind attention and have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.